So I'm here under the golden arches and I'm gonna try that new McDonald's arch burger. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Okay, so I got it. I'm gonna unpack it. There's my fries. Am I gonna put this stuff? They didn't give me any napkins. Okay, so we're gonna see what it looks like. Oh, okay. So it's nice. It's a, trying to put it in the light. It's a sesame seed bun. That's good. Okay. Let's see. I just knocked my fries over. Oh God. Oh, don't get all over my. Oh, okay. Okay. So, looks like what's on it is lettuce, arch sauce, pickles. Oh my God, I did not see the pickles on it. Oh, sometimes pickles are okay, sometimes they're not. I don't know. And then it's supposed to have like French fried onions on it. I don't see the French fried onions, but we'll take a little bite and we'll see. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be messier than a Big Mac. Oh, no. Okay. Yep, I see the French fried onions. They're on the bottom. And it has Swiss cheese. Oh my God, I've already got all over my hands. No. Okay, you're gonna have to hold up because I'm gonna have to find some napkins. And then here I am recording, or thought I was recording, and I wasn't recording. So I already took a bite. But I didn't get any of the sauce. It was like bread, meat, lettuce. That was the first bite I got. Because if you believe it or not, my mouth is not that big. So I'm gonna try to take another bite. And it is messy, people. It is messy. I always carry Viva paper towels, a roll of them, with me for that reason. But it is messy. You do not want to eat this in the car. And I don't know how I'm going to get through it. But, okay. Let's try this. Let's try to get some of this sauce. It don't look like mac sauce. It's called arch sauce. Don't look like mac sauce. It's kind of orange. So, okay, let me try this. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I got the sauce that time. Not like mac sauce, it's sweet. I got a little bite of the French fried onion. That's good. It's a good burger. It just, I wouldn't eat this in the car. Not again. I'm gonna have a mess. But I'm gonna try to finish. But yeah, there's my review of the arch burger. It's good, but it is messy. Very messy. It's worse. It is worse than a McRib.